I've had people do some things that I've seen that is extremely funny. Okay, if you're a doctor, that's great. But what does that have to do with real estate, right? So I don't want to see your doctor credentials when your credibility kit saying, hey, I operate, I'm a neurosurgeon, and I'm a real estate investor. That has absolutely no relevance, no relevance to the real estate business, right? So if you have credentials that will build your credibility, that are related to the real estate business, use it. But if not, you don't need to be called doctor. You don't need to be called, hey, I am a CPA. Unless if that's specifically helping because you're the analyst of the numbers or whatever that is, don't write it down because you look stupid, honestly. Now, if you're a CCIM, like one of our partners is one of the founding members of the CCIM Institute, that's a whole other ballgame. Because he was one of the guys who was there in the beginning when it was created. And when it was put together in such a way where it was his curriculum that they used to train the actual CCIMs right now. So is that credibility for us that we actually work with one of the founding members of that board? Absolutely. So is that going to be in here? Yes. Right? The fact that the guy can play poker and he does every week and he makes stuff really well and he's got a bunch of trophies, do I need to put that in a presentation? No. So, you just obviously put the information that really will show off the skill that you need for your business model. Project samples, which you'll see in there, that really goes a long way when you show them actual past deals, because they can visualize and internalize what type of projects they can get from you when they do business with you. So that's extremely important. And again, have a clear investment structure. That's in there as well, when we say, typically, this is how our investors work. You have investor A and investor B, and then we clarify what that means. Does that make sense? So that's the real key here. If you really want to get this thing extremely systemized, where you are actually converting, you got your product that you've created, and then ultimately you have a credibility kit that you use to establish your trust with the client, so they know that you are here and that you're here for the long haul. And that's, especially nowadays in this market, you have to have this if you want to do something big. Otherwise, people won't trust you.